Hello everyone, in this video I will explain how to wire this lamp and switch panel and the socket to our smart power distribution box. Because I have made some video before, have explained the software and the hardware structure of our smart power distribution box, but some people want to know how to wire. So today I will make this video to explain how to wire in details. Let's look at step by step. Okay, let's look at this smart power distribution box. And this time you can see it's 32 channel and brick and the DC contact and this M30 energy meter and A32 Pro smart controller. So this consists with our smart power distribution box system. And you can see I have made some wire to show you how to wire with the switch panel and this socket. And this is the lamp. And you can see the first we need to know how to wire this line to a lamp. So you can see this is a DC contact. You can see just this one. And this DC contact, you can see that have input, and this is the output. Just you can see at here. So every AC contact have two input, but we have only used one because we have used this leaf line, and you can see we can just connect this leaf line output. So you can see this contact, this point 3 is input, so that this point 4 is output. Just this point is output at this one. So you can see this leaf line, you can see will go into this brick, and this is the first one brick. I can let it off. This first one and go through at here, and output at here. So I have connected this cable, this red cable. You can see connect with this 4.4. You can see just this one. I have connected this lamp. So the first channel I have connected with lamp, and this lamp will have two wires. This is leaf line and this is neutral line. The neutral line you can see I have connected this blue one at this neutral line terminal. You can see it here. That's the end. You can see this is the end. Just connect it together. So this is the first one. How to connect with one lamp. And also if you have the second lamp, just you can see I have this second lamp. So you can see this cable, this one, just connect to your second contact, this point 4, just this output. At here you can see this is the second channel controlling this second lamp. And the next case, maybe you will ask whether I can use some different lamps but controlled by one lamp, because sometimes in your room maybe you have some lamps, because maybe you have one lamp and just these two lamps used by one channel. So we can connect this 2 or 3 or many different lamps together. You can see I just connected together. Just you can see connected together. And this leaf line, you can see I have connected with this 3. This is 3 contact. The third contact, you can see this output at this one. So this control one lamp and multi-lamp. So we'll have different case. Just let this total power on the beside your contact's current, and you can see this is 25 ampere. So you just let your all load together less than 25 ampere, and maybe you can let less than 20 ampere. That will be more safety. So this is different load. This one is 200 watt, and this one 3 lamps will totally have 600 watt. And this one, you can see it's a socket, just it's a socket. And the socket is also very easy. You can see at the back, the red one, that is leaf line, and the blue one is neutral line, and this is earth. So I have connected the third channel, the fourth channel. You can see this red cable. You can see this is the first contact output at here, just this one. Go to this socket, and this one, the blue one, you can see also have connect with this one. All have connect with the terminal N, so that will connect together. Even if you can connect at here or you can connect at here, no problem. And this one, you can see that is the earth. The earth will connect with this socket earth. So because this socket, maybe you will connect with your air conditioning, or maybe you will connect with any other electronic device. So I think let one contact for one socket is better, because 25 ampere is enough for air conditioning. Maybe your air conditioning is 16 ampere. So one contact for air conditioning is enough. Because I have used the test, so this cable is thin. If you want to use in your house, you need to choose this cable according to your load ampere. So you can see this is for the load. So I can use my Tuya mobile phone application. You can see this is my Tuya mobile phone application. Also, you can use Home Assistant software, because our smart power distribution box both support Home Assistant and the Tuya mobile phone application remote control by internet. So you can see if I click, that will be on, and you can see this is on. Why is this lamp not on? Because I have not turned on this brick. So you can see I can turn off firstly. I let this first, second, third, fourth, all is on. So the power will go through at this contact. And this time you can see if I turn on this lamp is on. Oh, it's very hot. And close it. And this is number 2. You can see if I turn on this switch 2, okay, you can see this is controlling independently, and close it. And this is the third. You can see the 3 lamps, and I can also turn on this one. You can see the 3 lamps all is on, controlled by the 3 channel, third channel. I can turn off. And the first is the socket. You can see if I click the first, so this socket will have power. And I can test with this one, and you can see I can connect it here, and you can see this is power on. So this have the power. If I can close it, you can see I close the turn off switch 4, the socket no power. So you can see no power. Okay, so this is how to run with your load. You just connect all this contact output to every room and every house and different electronic device. Maybe some electronic device just only use one load for one channel, and maybe you will use multi device by one channel, and this one socket is for one channel. So this will be according to your house design. You can choose this, how many contact to use, and maybe you will use this 25 ampere, and maybe you will use 16 ampere, or maybe you will use large such as 40 ampere or 45 ampere. Just replace this contact without, don't need to change any other things. Just replace this contact. So will suitable for your different load current. Okay, this is how to connect with this load. And next we will look at how to use this connect with this switch panel in your wall. And you can see I have taken example for 2 switch buttons. And you can see this is the first type of switch. This is called momentary switch. I can put my mobile phone at here, this Tuya mobile phone application, and you can see if I click, this channel 1 is on, click, channel 1 is off. So this is momentary, you can see, just momentary. You can see when I turn off, and this Tuya mobile phone, that will be off. You can see if I turn on, you can see this state will be updated on mobile phone and close. So you can see this is second channel. This is second channel, also will update. And this is third. The third is 3 lamps work together. And the fourth, that is the socket. So this one, if you have choose this momentary switch, just a push button, and the hot one, you can see it's also very easy. If you have this 4 button, you can see K1, K2, K3, K4, and this is K-COM. The COM is the common line. So you just connect with this 5 cable. If you have 6 button, so your total will have 7 cables. Just one common cable and other is buttons. So you can see this K1 to K4 will connect with this one and this one. Digital input 1, 2, 3, 4 connect with the K1 to K4. Actually, you can connect with any digital input, not must relay 1 to relay 4 must connect with K1 to digital 1 to digital 4. So you can see this one, you can see it here, this K1 to K4, and this one, digital input 1 to digital input 4, and this K-COM is brown color. You can see that have connect with this GND, that is ground. So you can see this is K1 to K4, and light blue, and light green and green. You can see just as same as this one at here, and this one K-COM I have connect with this ground, just ground. So this just connect with this hardware, and in our KCS system software, so you just set this button for K1 for output 1, K2 for output 2, and K3 for output 3, and K4 for output 4. Actually, you can set such as a K1, maybe you can control the relay 8 or some other relay channel. It's also no problem. Okay, this is the first one. And if you will ask me if I have some different switch, some different buttons, I want control this one lamp. Maybe this one lamp and control with this button and some other different switch panel. So if you have used the momentary switch, it's very easy. Just connect with this cable together. For example, if you have 3 buttons for control K1, so you just connect 3 switch panels K1 or 3 cable connect with it together. So just connect together will be easy. And this cable, you can see this cable to the switch max support 300 meters because our controller have designed long distance circuit. So this cable it can be used very long. Just 300 cable for enough for your house to use. And let's look at the second. And you can see this one and this one, that called launch switch. So you can see this is switch 1. You can see just so this cable, you can see also I have connected with this digital input, and this time I have connected with digital input 9 and 10, 11, 12. These 4 digital input have connected with AC32 Pro. I also have set by the software I can set this which digital input and control which lamp, and by the launch switch or by the momentary switch. And this can set by our software, so it will be very easy. If you must want to use this traditional switch, just use this way to control on and off, on and off. Also, you can see the state is update. You can see the state is update. And the second channel, and the third channel, and the fourth channel for the socket. So you can see I can use different switch panel to control one lamp. And also you can let this 4 button control relay 1 to relay 4, and this switch panel control relay 5 to relay 8. No problem, because it's also set by software. I just want to tell you how to connect with this cable with the digital input for controller. And because you can see this transition switch, every button will have 3 lines. You can see it here. You can see, for example, the L1, L11, and L12, because the every button will have COM, normal open, and normal close. So in this case, we just use this COM and normal open or normal close, not use these 2 points. So you can see I have used this. So you can see I have used this black cable. The black cable have connect with this ground. You can see the digital input ground. And also I have connect all COM together. You can see the L1, L3, and this one, L2, and L4. You can see it here, L4. So just connect together because all is used by the COM. So you can see. So I have connect all together. And this one you can see that is short L12. The L12, that means normal open. And you can see the L12 is normal open. At here, normal open. So I have connected with this normal open, the K1 normal open to the digital input. And the second, you can see this cord L22. You can see L22 and L32 and L42. So this 1, 2, 3, 4 point is also normal open. So I have connected with this normal open and to digital input of A32 Pro controller. You can see it here. So that can read the switch state just by the controller. And also maybe you will ask me if I want use 2 buttons, just 2 traditional buttons to control 1 lamp, how to do with it. This one, you just as a traditional way, just use these 2 buttons, such as this button and control 1 lamp. So you just use this one. This time you will use this normal open and normal close and COM together. Let's draw a diagram for you to understand how to use 2 switch button and control 1 lamp. And for example, this switch button, this is COM and normal close, and this is normal open. This is for K1, and this another one. You can see it here. This we call K2, and this is COM, and this is normal close, and this is normal open. So you can see I can use this cable and connect together, and this one, and to controller. This is A32 Pro, and this is digital input, and this is ground, this is GND. So I just let it connect together, and let it connect together, so that every time you use this button to up and down, no problem. The A32 Pro, this digital input DI, we call it DI, will read the state, and if also use this button for up and for down, so that can get the state to the digital input. So this one, K1 and K2, and controlled by the one lamp. So for A32 Pro, digital input. And also if you have the K3 and K4, control another lamp, so you can connect with another digital input. Okay, this is how to use this two traditional switch button control one lamp. Okay, I think now you can understand how to connect with this load and how to connect with this switch panel. And maybe you will like this traditional switch style, and maybe you will like this momentary switch because you can choose any switch brand in your local country, not must use King Kong's switch panel, because we make it for the commonly use, not must use King Kong's switch buttons. So you can choose your own style. Maybe some is beautiful and maybe some style is suitable for you. So you can choose in your local city. That will be easy for you. Okay, this is how to wind with our smart power distribution box. Thanks for watching.